check. No, there's again. Man, this thing is so fun. What's going on, fellas? Welcome back to the channel. I'm in line for the DEQ slip. We're about to get some plates for this. It's been like close to a year now since I got the car and I have not registered it. The tags are about to expire in like a month or two, so I really got to register it under my name now. Get some tags on it. Plates are from California, so we got to get some Oregon plates. I'm thinking about getting some custom plates. I just got to see what I want to put on the plate. I got the dogs with me. Say hi, Scooby. Say hi, Peanut. I think this one needs a potty. She's been whining, and then the whole way here she was calm, but now she's whining. So yeah, they're taking a while. Do a little POV drive. Hopefully this thing passes, and yeah, enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Giveaway at 600 subs. So once we hit 600 subs, we gotta do a giveaway. 550p Starlight kit. Don't miss out. Good luck to everyone, and I'll catch y'all later. All right, fellas, we are out of the DEQ. This thing passed DEQ, which means we could get some tags, new plates. I had to put the top up because I was on the highway. I literally got off the highway for the dogs. They were overheating, so I put the top up, and now we're just chilling with the AC. Although my gas is on 3 bars, I should get some gas. First time recording in public with the... Y'all see me? Got my Hello Kitty hat on and shit. Oh, another S2000. Another S2000. Y'all saw that? That was, damn, his is a wide body though. That's crazy. Dude, I had a, what's it called? What's that game called? That racing game, The Crew. I went back to it not too long ago, like my old account. I had an S2000 and there was a wide body. Literally same exact as his. It was white, it was wide body. But once I started playing again, or I played it like one day, and then I literally put it back to full stock, did my spec, literally bone stock. Y'all know this car. And we got a Subi. What do you guys think about the WRXs? Like the, well, when did they come out again? Like new ones, like 2015? Yeah, they're fucking slow, bro. I think the S2000 could take one of them. One of my girlfriend's cousins has a STI, like 2018, I think. The Brembo package and all, like the STI, you know, STI is the best one. And I drove it a couple of times and that shit is slow, bro. The first time I drove it, I expected to be like going crazy fast and shit. He has an exhaust, he got some work wheels, and what else? I think it's lowered a bit, but man, those things, disappointment. I would never get a WRX. Funny thing though, my first ever car was going to be a WRX. It was going, but that thing was, it was pretty built. It had 400 horsepower. The biggest issue was that the guy ran over a deer, or he hit a deer, so the whole front end had to be like, the carbon fiber hood was fucked up. I needed to replace that. The bumper was all cracked, and it was a shit box. But you know, my parents didn't want me to get it because they thought I'd kill myself in it. At that time I was 16, so they were like, nah, you are not getting that shit. So all night I cried like dead ass. I was literally so angry. I was crying like, bro, it's my money, I can't fucking buy whatever I want to buy, my first car. And so, but then next morning, what the fuck is this dude doing? Is he gonna come here? But like I was saying, the next morning I found my first car. It was a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer. I thought it was a shit in it, bro. I thought it was an Evo. I put an Evo wing on it from eBay. Cringe as fuck. But hey, I wanted an Evo. I made myself one, you know. Alright, fellas, top is down. I don't have the dogs with me no more, so we could drive a bit fast, you know. Man, this thing is so fun. Oh my god. Y'all have to get an S2000, bro. I swear. This shit is hella fun. I just got a free hoist and a free engine stand, bro, from the neighbor. which is, it's crazy because I was thinking of buying one, but I was like, fuck, where am I gonna put it? Because my garage is not that big, you know. But I got 2 of them for free. I was like, nah, bro, I cannot miss this out. I cannot say no. I need this. That 5.3, bro. That 5.3 for the OBS. Stay tuned if you like OBS Chevys. I'm about to 5.3 swap it. I hope this hat don't fly off. Big gear, hauling ass. Fuck it, we go here. Full tank of gas too. You taking it in. I got pretty comfortable with the car, so I'm kind of beating on it now, not gonna lie. Which is good, because I really want to turbo the car, so the car needs to be like able to handle abuse when it's NA, you know? I looked at a couple of turbo kits and a couple of superchargers. At first I was gonna go supercharger, but then I did my research and there's a turbo kit that is not too hard to install on this car. So I'm going with the turbo instead of a supercharger. Oh shit, that's a whole police fucking spot right there. What the hell? I didn't even know that till like last week, bro. I used to take this road, I'd be speeding and I didn't know there was a whole police station right there. That's where they all train and shit, I think. Come on, bro, turn green, turn green, turn green. It's so awkward when there's people fucking next to me with the top down. Oh my God. I might fucking turn this way, I'm not gonna lie. Holy shit, what? And it just, I turned my music off. Oh. Turn green, hurry up, turn green. Turn green, I don't know what to do. Okay, thank God. And there'd be some hidden cops here too, bro. I remember driving my Z, trying to learn how to drift. I wasn't recording that, but I was trying to learn how to drift. And I was going in circles, like going that way, coming back, going in through here. Over here is pretty secluded area, but when I reached this other light over here, there was a hidden cop, like in the buildings. I think it was this one. Like just hidden back there. I was like, oh my God. My dumbass was like, not speeding, but the car was loud and I was, you know, high RPMs and shit. I'm retarded. But bro, y'all gotta get an SUK. Look at this. The view, bro. Come on. I need to practice my rev matching too. Okay, those rev matches are pretty fucking nice. Holy cow. Y'all seen the rev matches? Oh my God. Play music or take my hood off. Take the fucking hat off.